Hello guys, it's Chow Master 100. Today, I have a really cool Bakugan to unbox. This is Seis Tavanel. So yeah. I guess we'll just get into this. Now, while I'm unboxing it, I would like to apologize for any creaking you may hear, because this spot is a little bit creaky. So, yep. Okay, so this is definitely one of the cooler Bakugan. I cannot wait to see what it looks like in person. Alright. Let's see what's all in here. Alright. Got some of this random stuff. Cards. This ability card here has Resdragon and Seis Tavanel. Looks like it gives 100 each attribute besides Darkest, which is 180. And then there's a Gate card here, which has Seis Tavanel and Seis Tavanel. So, yeah. Let's leave that there. Now this little bag contains extra pieces for Seis Tavanel. So if you don't know, he has plastic pieces and metal pieces. That's kind of like a little unique thing with him. So, this variation you're seeing here, he has his metal, but these are the extra pieces it comes with. So you have the foot here, another foot here. I don't really remember exactly which ones they are, so sorry about that. Got another foot. And the last foot is this. Then you got a couple of cross pieces, which are here. These two. So, cool that you get those. So yeah, anyways, let's get to the actual Bakugan itself. If I could actually open this, because I have problems opening this. Very, very heavy for a little Bakugan, so. I guess there's really nothing else left to do but open it, so. Alright. So here he is. His feet open. He has lots of those. I'm just trying to see how this works here. So, I guess like that. Very cool looking, for sure. Oh yeah, horns come up right here. Yeah, very nice. And well designed. So, yeah, alright. G powers 660. Sometimes I gotta unzoom for it to work better. There you go. Just taking a little look at it myself. Looks really cool. Definitely I'm liking this one a lot. Well. So, yeah, very cool Bakugan. This one is a little harder to find for a cheap price, but definitely would recommend it if you can find it. So yeah, anyways, I guess that's really all for this unboxing. So yeah. Anyway, guys, that's really all. So, yeah, comment, thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye-bye.